So in this video, I'll be covering how you can make a new project in Eclipse and how you can make a new Java class file in your project, as well as how you can include other Java files to your project. So let's start Eclipse. Once you start Eclipse, as it's loading, it's going to ask you where your workspace is going to be. Now, this is important because workspace will be the place where all your projects is going to be stored. So you want to specify if you want to have your projects saved, all your Java files saved in a certain place, you probably want to direct that here. And once you've done that, you can say OK. Now, how to make a new project. To make a new project, go to your Package Explorer. So it's on the left-hand side usually. Right-click on inside your Package Explorer, anywhere, any empty space, and it will come out with this menu. Select New Java Project and give your project name. So you can name it whatever, Java Project. And go ahead and click Finish. Alright, and you'll notice on your left-hand side that you made a new folder called Java Proj, which will be your new project. Now, to make a new class file inside your project, right-click in your project and click on Class. And you can name your class here. First class. Now, there are some options where it's going to ask you whether you want to make this public or default or abstract or final. It really doesn't matter at this point. You want to make your first class file. Also, it's going to ask you, it's going to have a checkbox whether you want the public static void main string args, and that part is needed whenever you want to execute something during runtime. So unless you're building this to be a pure class, you will need that checked. Once you have those, click Finish. And you notice that you have your first .java file and it's inside your new project. Alright? Now what if you have a Java file that you would like to include into your project? So say I have this time file and it's showing as Notepad, but really it's a Java file. But anyways, say you want to include this time Java file to your new Java project. How would you do that? Now remember how Eclipse asked you where you want your workspace? Go to wherever you made your workspace directory to be. Once you're in your workspace directory, you'll see all the projects you have currently, and you will see also your new project that you made. Go in there, go into source, src, and drag and drop the file you want in there, and go back to Eclipse. You won't see it yet, but what you'll have to do is you'll have to refresh. So to do that, right click on it and go ahead and click on refresh. Once you do that, you will see the new Java file in your project. Alright, so that's how you include a new Java file to your project.